Hi everyone, it's Jessica here. In today's lesson, we will practice speaking skills together. Today, we'll practice with 2 exercises, shadowing and duet. All right, let's get started. Part 1, shadowing. In this exercise, try to copy the intonation and the tone of the speaker. Pay attention and we'll practice together. So, do you have any travel plans for June? I will go to Paris next month. How fancy. Are you flying or driving? Probably flying. It's faster. Totally. And I love food on the plane. Have you been to Paris before? No, it's my first time. You will love it. The Eiffel Tower, the Louvre. I can't wait to explore all the famous spots. Be careful of the pickpockets. Thanks. I'll keep an eye out. Make sure to try French cuisine, too. I'm looking forward to trying escargot. What? You are braver than me. I'll let you know how it tastes. Okay, although I might not need that. When will you book the tickets? I'm still looking for the best deals. Watch out for scams. All right, Mom, I know. Hey, I'm just looking out. Thanks a lot. Hey, you went to Paris once, right? Yeah, why do you ask? This will be my first time in Paris and I don't know much about this place, so I guess I need some tips. Gotcha. You asked the right person. First things first, comfortable shoes are a must. You'll walk a lot, and trust me, you don't want to have sore feet. Got it. What else? Next up, learn some French. You may not sound like the locals, but the locals are gonna love it. Oh, I did pick up some phrases. Bonjour, merci, oui, oui. I'll brush up on my French. Anything else? You visit the Eiffel Tower. Avoid the long lines by booking online tickets. Noted. Is that all? Oh, you must visit Montmartre. It's the best place in my opinion. The streets are charming and there's a lot of cafes. Thanks a bunch. I'll bring you a lot of souvenirs when I come back. You just don't need to tell me about eating escargot. Great job, everyone. So now we turn to practice speaking by duet method. I'm going to read my lines and you'll read your lines on the screen out loud. You can even pause the video to practice your lines. So now, here we go. Good morning. Are you in a hurry? Yeah, I planned to be early, but... But what happened? My clock ran out of battery, so I didn't hear any alarms. So, why are you still here now? Oh, right. Somehow I made it. It's Saturday, and I should be sleeping now. But my lazy husband woke me up. He's usually a sloth at home, but he woke me up early and reminded me of the trip. So unexpected. You just got saved by your husband. I did not expect that to happen since our marriage. Whew, the train has not arrived yet. What is your train number? It's LP5. Yeah, it's not here yet. Catch your breath. Thanks. I feel like I ran a marathon. A marathon to catch a train. That's a new sport. I did not sign up for this event. Well, you're winning so far. Where are you going? A hiking trip in the mountains. That sounds exciting. Watch out for wild bears. Wild bears? Now I would love it if someone canceled the trip. Good luck with the adventure. Thanks a lot. If I survive, I will tell you more about it. Oh, the train is coming. I have to go now. Bye! Have a good trip, and remember to stay alive. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Remember to practice English every day to improve your skills. Watch the video at least 3 times a week and repeat daily conversations to improve your listening and speaking skills fast. Try to mimic the intonation and pronunciation in the video to enhance your speaking fluency and pronunciation. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on my video. Please subscribe to the Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos.